Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, I know 2020 has been a tough year for all of us all over the world, but we still have few days left. So let's promise to spread love, happiness, smile, and laughs, and let's be happy in these last few days of 2020. Guys, I'm also super excited and very happy today because I received a gift box from Kmall24 website. So let me show you the box first and let me know what do you guys think what is inside that box. So guys, here's the box that I received and I still have not unboxed it. So we're gonna do the unboxing together, but it is really huge. So please let me know in the comment section what do you guys think what is inside this box. Some I don't know, some K-pop stuff or some cosmetics, some food items, or what is inside. And yeah, we're gonna do the unboxing, but first of all let's talk about the Kmall24 website. So guys, I know if you're in Pakistan or India or different parts of the world, to buy the original or Korean products is very difficult, especially when it comes to the shipping. So guys, this website Kmall24 is basically all-in-one website for everyone who has interest in Korea, Korean culture, Korean language, Korean music, Korean food, Korean cosmetics, for everyone. Because first of all, on this website you can find what are the trending stories. You can find lots of tips and tricks if you are traveling to Korea or if you want to move to South Korea, and you can find information about a lot of very hot buys or famous or like recommended buys by the famous Korean insiders. Apart from that, you can also do shopping on Kmall24 website all over the world. For example, you can find products related to fashion, food, health, beauty, cosmetics, entertainment, and a lot of different products. Please go and check out the website and see if there are some products that you want to buy. But now let's open this box and let's see what is inside this box. Let's go. So guys, let's open this box first of all. Okay, it's really huge. I have never received that big box before as a gift. Neither on my birthday. Like even my friends, they didn't give me that kind of big box. So guys, I have unboxed it. So let's see what is inside. Guys, what do you think? Start commenting. What do you think? What is inside? So I'm gonna open it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wow. So it's first of all, the big in the dabba. There's a box inside this box, and they also have said the thank you message. So please go and visit their website. Okay, guys. So let's open this box. I'm really excited. What's inside? Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Honestly, okay, I messed it up. So I was thinking it's gonna be just like one thing or something, like one or two things, but there are a lot of things, really a lot of things. So first of all, let me show you guys what is inside, and then I'm gonna talk about we will try and then we'll see what is the specification of each and everything. By the way, guys, if you also want to send me some gifts, you can send me, please. You can. I don't mind, honestly. So first of all, we have this oat cereal. So the next very important thing, guys, very important thing is KF94 mask made in Korea, guys. And we have this thing. Oh, cool. So this is a mask keeper. Okay, next we have something for powder wash for face. Another very cool thing, it's a blemish stick for the face. Okay, then we have the things that I really like in South Korea is the cosmetics. Even though आपका भाई खूबसूरत है, कोई शक नहीं है इसमें, still I prefer using cosmetics because everyone needs to take care of their skin for their self. So here they send me this toner balm, so we're gonna talk about it also, guys. They even send me chickpeas. This is for the lipsticks, no, not lipstick, sorry, lip balm. So let's see and let's talk about each and every product separately. Okay, guys, so first of all, let's see this big O. Usually in the morning, what do you guys eat? Do you guys eat paratha, roti, naan, halwa puri? Because in Korea, ये चीज़ें नहीं हैं. These things are not available. So आपका भाई जो है ना, I usually eat cereals. Honestly, every day I eat cereal with yogurt, but I never ate the oat cereal. So let's see what is these things. Oh wow, this is basically in powder form. So oat cereals these ones are in powder form. They say like these are full of vitamins and antioxidants. This is a really perfect meal to start your day. So wow. So tomorrow my breakfast would be or cereals. Okay, so the next thing that I really like was this lip tint. First of all, the design is very cool, and if you guys, I don't know if you guys can read, it says hi, I'm yours. Very romantic sign on touch diya hua hai. If you are gifting this to your loved ones, it's a must thing to to gift them, because it's very beautiful, very romantic. And the purpose of this lip tint, as I was reading, is it gives your lips a very vibrant color, and especially it softens them and provides a lasting hydration. But I'm not gonna try, I guess, because it's for the women, so I'm not gonna apply it on my lips. But if you guys want it as a gift, comment below. Okay, now the third product is this powder wash. So again, it's a very unique product that I never have seen before. After like your face wash, you can apply a powder on your palm, add some water and wash your face. So the effects is basically, it's kind of a mild cleanser, and it smoothly, it makes your skin very smooth and clear and clean. So yeah, I'm gonna try it later on. The next product we have is this very important mask, Kmall24 mask. Again, as I was telling you guys, this is made in Korea. If you guys want to buy Korean mask, please go and check out the website Kmall24. Okay, so the next product we have is this CENTELLA anti-blemish stick. And the best thing about this product is that it does not has any chemicals, and all of them is made from plant-based ingredients. So it definitely is gonna be very good for your skin. So if you guys have acne, or if you guys want to give it to someone who has acne, please go and visit the website Kmall24 and get this anti-acne stick, which is called CENTELLA anti-blemish stick. Okay, the next one we have is this choco chickpeas. Again, I am not sure what is inside. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Let's see what is inside. Okay, now so these are basically the choco balls, so you guys can eat them. Guys, like I was saying, you guys even can buy food items on the website. So this is one of the items they want me to try. Thank you so much, Kmall. Okay, so the next item is very useful, especially in these days, because we all are wearing masks every day. When we are going out, and we need to take them off and put them in somewhere when we are eating, for example, or when we are in some meeting. So I don't know what about you guys, but for me, every time I go to a restaurant, when I'm eating, I put the mask in my pocket or in my bag, which is not very comfortable, right? Because it can also catch some bacteria or viruses. That's why they have this antibacterial mask keeper. So let's open it, and honestly I feel it's very useful. We all need it. Okay, so guys, what we have just opened it. So the way you put it is, here's a mask, very useful product, and we need it every time. Okay, now my favorite product of this whole box was this toner called BIUM toner. So guys, I personally, like I was telling, I like Korean cosmetics. They are really good for your skin. So guys, this toner basically provides exfoliation for your softer skin. If you guys don't know about toner, you can check out my other video. I made a whole guide about Korean skincare routine. And the best thing about this toner is that it hydrates your skin and avoids the moisture loss. So after you have washed your face with a soap or with a face wash, you can apply you can pat it on your face, and after that you can apply serum or ampoule, whatever you want. So this BIUM toner BHA 0.5, I guess, is very useful product, and especially in Pakistan we are not used to this toner, but I would highly suggest you guys to go and try out these products also. Okay guys, so these were all the the product review of this whole the box. Thank you so much again, Kmall24. You guys have sent me really good stuff, and I'm gonna use them a lot. So guys, if you have any question about any of the product, please let me know. If you guys want to know more about Kmall24, go and visit the website. The website is in in English also, so please go and check out the website. Again, thank you so much guys. The last message again, I started this video with, please always spread happiness, love, smiles. Always be happy and love yourself, the most important thing. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.